Welcome back to online classes of Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School. Students, today we will do chapter number 7 of class 1 mathematics. Title of chapter is measurement. Okay, let us recall. Tick the one that is. Student, tick the one that is smallest. In the students, which is smaller? So, tick here this picture. Now next is smallest. Which is the smallest bag, student? Tick on the smallest bag. This one is smallest. Okay, tick there now. Now in the student, which is the shorter building? Shorter building, which is shorter? So tick on the shorter building. Now next the tick on the shortest row. This one is the shortest among all from this. Now tick the student taller. Which is the taller? This is a giraffe and it's a deer. So giraffe is taller than the deer. So you have to tick here. Next students, which is the tallest tree? Tallest tree. Okay, this picture shows it is the tallest. So tick here. Next student, in this we have to tick on the bigger. Okay, two pictures are there. Which is bigger, student? This picture you see here now. Okay, you have to tick on the bigger. Next student, biggest. Which is the biggest among all of these, student? Okay, this. Okay, you have to tick here because this picture shows it is the biggest. Longer, student. Which is the longer pencil? Tick on the longer pencil. Next student, which is the longest toothbrush? First picture shows that it is the longest among all of these. Students, measuring lengths. We can measure the lengths of object using our body parts. By using our body parts, we can measure the lengths of object. For example, we can use our finger. Next is hand span. Students, from little finger to thumb, we can use our hands to measure by using little finger to thumb. Little finger to thumb, hand span. Next student, cubit. From palm to our elbow. From palm to our elbow, cubit. And foot span, student, toes to heel. Toes to heel. And the pace is the student footstep. So we can measure the length of objects. How can you measure? By using the finger, hand span, cubit, foot span, pace. Finger, hand span, cubit, foot span, pace. In this student, measuring lengths using object. We can use different objects. Like crayon, sharpener, clip, etc. to measure the lengths of different objects. Length of the desk is about, student, 5 pencil boxes, and length of the book is about 6 erasers. Observe and fill in the blanks. Length of the pencil is about dash sharpeners. Let us count the sharpeners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So length of the pencil is about 6 sharpener. Next student, length of the stick is about how many pencils? Count 1, 2, 3. 3 pencils. Length of the toothbrush. Student, is about how many crayons? If you count the crayons, then you will get the answer 2. 1, 2. So you have to write here 2 crayons. Next is length of the mobile. Length of the mobile is about dash paper clips. So how many paper clips? We will count the paper clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 paper clips. Length of the notebook is about how many erasers? Let us count the erasers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 erasers. Length of the scale is about dash erasers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 erasers. Next student, let us do 7.1 exercise. Tick the correct word. A toothbrush is student longer or shorter than a hair clip? Longer. A toothbrush is longer than a hair clip. Next is a book is bigger. A book is bigger or smaller than the eraser? Student, book is bigger than the eraser. A lemon is student bigger or smaller than the watermelon? Right answer will be the smaller, because lemon is the smaller than the watermelon. Let us see the next question. A crayon. Have you seen the crayon, students? Yes, crayon is used to color the pictures. Crayon is longer or shorter than a scale? Students, crayon is shorter than a scale. Now next question. Tick the correct words. Length of a pencil. Length of a pencil can be measured by cubic page finger. With the help of finger, we can measure the length of a pencil. And length of a blackboard can be measured by page fingers or cubit. Students, cubit. With the help of cubit, we can measure the length of blackboard. Length of a playground can be measured by pace. And length of the table. How can you measure the length of a table? Very easy. Can be measured by hand span. Next question. Look at the picture. You can see here the pictures and write their length. Length of the pencil is about dash eraser. How many erasers? 1, 2, 3, 4. Students, 4 erasers. Length of the tube light. You can see here the pic of tube light. Length of the tube light is about how many pencils? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pencils. Length of the toothbrush is about sharpeners. 1, 2, 3. 4 sharpeners. And length of the geometry box is about dash matchsticks. When you will count the matchsticks, you will get the answer, students. 7. Length of the bat. Length of the bat is equal to about how many pencils? You will count the pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pencils. Length of the book. Length of the book is about how many crayons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 crayons. Okay, student, now measuring the weights. When we measure weight, we find out whether an object is heavy or light. In this, students, you have to color the heavier one and circle the lighter one. Which is the heavier, you have to color on that object and you have to circle on the light object. Okay, you have to color here and this you have to circle because this bird is the lighter than the hen. Next is, student, which is heavier? In this picture, this shows that it is heavier. So in this you have to color it very beautifully and carefully and circle this because it is lighter. Next, you have seen 2 fishes here. So big fishes, it means it is heavy. So you have to color in this and in this you will circle. In this picture, student, red is lighter, so circle the lighter, and this is heavy, so color the this one. Students, we measure weights by using a balance. How can we measure weight? By using a balance. This is a balance, and students, a balance has 2 pens. In the balance, it has 2 pens. And the pen with heavier object will tilt little downwards and the pen with lighter object will move upwards. if the weights on both the pens is equal. If weight on the both pens will be the equal, then the pens will remain all at the same level. Students, see in the picture, water bottle is heavier than mobile phone. Water bottle is heavier because this pen is moved downward. It shows that it is a heavy, and this shows that it is a light because this pen move upward. Now oranges are heavier than the teddy bear. Oranges are heavier than the teddy bear. Put a tick for mark for the lighter pen. Which is the lighter pen, student? The pen that will move upward shows that it a lighter pen. So you have to tick carefully here. This pen is lighter. This is a lighter pen. This is a lighter pen, and this shows it's a lighter. Okay, and this shows also it's a lighter. This pen, students, move upward, shows lighter. Next question, write L for light and H for heavy. L for light and H for the heavy. I already told you that which is the lighter pen will move upward and the heavy pen will move the downward. So it shows that, student, it shows that this pen is lighter and this pen is the heavy, and in this, student, ball is light and this shows it's a heavy. This shows, students, heavy. This pen shows light. This shows, students, heavy. It shows light. This shows heavy. This shows light, and this pen shows light. This pen shows heavy. Let us find the weight of different things using different objects. Here the bag weight the same as 3 big. Fill in the blank, student. 16 cherries weight the same as how many oranges? 2 oranges. It means 16 cherries is equal to 2 oranges. 9 lemons weight the same as how many mangoes? 1, 2, 3, 3 mangoes. And the book weights as much as dash bananas. How many bananas, student? 3 bananas. The weight of the bat is as much as dash balls. You will count the balls, you will get the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 balls. Now we will do the exercise 7.2. Put a tick mark for the heavier pen. Which is the heavier pen? You will have to tick. This is the heavier pen, student. This is the heavier pen. This is the heavier. This is the heavier pen shows that the pen will move the downward side. Okay, this is the this shows heavier and this shows heavier pen. Measuring capacity, student, we can measure the liquid by using the cups. Glasses, mugs, bottle, jugs, etc. You can see here 2 containers with different shapes may have the same capacity. This bottle can fill 3 glasses. You can say this bottle also can fill 3 glasses. This jug can hold 4 glasses of water. You can say this pot holds 8 glasses of water. 4 glasses of milk can be filled from the bottle. So the capacity of the bottle is more than the packet, and 2 glasses of milk can be filled from the packet. Now, student, color the glass containing more juice. You can see here 2 glasses. Okay, which glass containing, student, more juice? You have to color on that juice. This shows, student, it has more juice. So you have to color beautifully only in this glass. Circle the cup which has more tea. Which cup has, student, more tea? Yes, this shows that it shows more tea. So you have to circle the here. Next question, Ritu has a beautiful bucket in her bathroom. A bucket can fill 5 small mugs. Color the number of mugs needed to fill the buckets. How many buckets you needed to fill the 2 buckets, students? Yes, you have to color this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 mugs. You needed 10 mugs to fill the 2 buckets, and you needed how many buckets? 15 mugs to fill the 3 buckets, and you have to need 20 mugs to fill the 4 buckets. Next question. Observe these pictures and write their lengths. The line is about dash paper clips. How many paper clips? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this, the brush is about dash paper clips. Let us count the paper clips and you will get the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Take the heavier object. Which is the heavier object, student? Okay, this shows because this pen is moved the downward. Okay, in this it shows it is the heavier object. Cross the jug which holds less. Which holds less, student? This jug holds the less. Now color the kettle which holds the more. Which holds the more, student? Yes, this kettle shows that it holds the more. Which is shorter, student? A handspan or a cubit? Handspan is shorter. And which is the shorter? A pace or a finger? Finger is shorter. And which is the longer? Cubit or a pace? Pace. A wing balance has dash pens. How many pens? 2. The pen of a balance containing heavier object goes down. I already told that pen of a balance containing heavier object will goes down. A jug can be filled with 4 glasses of water. The capacity of the jug is 4 glasses. The capacity of a container is 3 bottles. 2 such container can fill with 6 bottles. Tick the correct answer. The longer object is, which is the longer? Student, it shows that it is the longer object. This sari is the longest object. So tick here. And the heaviest object, which is the heavier? This scooter. And which of the following container has largest capacity? This, student. Which of the following is the lightest, student? Which is the lightest? Lady finger. Which is the students? Today's your work is to revise this chapter with the help of video. See you again in next video. Bye bye.